Hello, and welcome to PayWhirl's tutorial on managing your email settings. In this video, we'll guide you through configuring your email notifications to ensure effective communication with your customers. To begin, log into your PayWhirl account and navigate to the Email Notifications section. Before the system can send emails on your behalf, it's essential to verify your email address. This verification step ensures that all communications are sent securely and from an authenticated source. Once your email address is verified, you'll have the option to enable or disable Test Mode. Activating Test Mode redirects all customer emails to your account's primary email address. This feature allows you to review the emails your customers would receive, facilitating thorough testing of your email templates and settings. Remember to deactivate Test Mode once you've completed your testing to resume normal email operations. In the Templates section, you can also choose to receive copies of specific notifications. By entering your email address in the Send a Copy To field for a particular email type, you'll be copied on those communications, keeping you informed of the messages sent to your customers. By default, PayWhirl sends emails using its own email servers. However, if you prefer to send emails from your own domain, you can configure SMTP settings. To do this, change the Send Email Via option to Send from your own domain. You'll then need to enter your SMTP host, username, password, and other relevant details provided by your email service provider. This setup allows emails to appear as though they're sent directly from your business's email address, enhancing brand consistency and trust. PayWhirl also offers the flexibility to customize email notifications for specific subscription plans. When editing a plan, scroll to the bottom of the page to find the plan-specific email settings. Here, you can assign a custom email template to the plan, overriding the default email settings. This feature is particularly useful if you have multiple plans and wish to tailor communications to each one. Additionally, you can disable certain emails for specific plans to prevent customer confusion, especially when linking multiple plans together in a chain. By effectively managing your email settings in PayWhirl, you can ensure that your customers receive timely and relevant communications, enhancing their overall experience with your business. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions or need further assistance with managing your email settings, our US-based customer support team is always here to help.